Hello, my name is Scott Stanley and I work in marketing at the Lincoln Electric Company. I'm here today to introduce you to Lincoln's new Fleet series of diesel engine driven welders, the Fleet 500 and the Fleet 650. These engine drives are designed specifically for fleet operators in remote locations. Let's take a look at how easy they are to maintain. Of course, for more information, please consult your operator's manual. All Fleet engine driven welders ship with the negative battery lead disconnected. You'll have to hook that up before you start welding. A lot of people think you got to go into the back battery compartment in order to access that, but that's not true. You can access that through the main door, just like all the other maintenance functions. Let's take a look.
As you can see, the negative battery cable is very easy to access. The engine oil dipstick is here. If you need to add oil to the engine, you can add it here. On the Fleet 500, the engine oil should be changed every 1,000 hours, or every 500 hours on the Fleet 650. It's very easy to drain the oil on this machine. As you can see, the drain hose can be fed through holes on the side or the bottom of the Fleet. When the oil is changed, you should also change the oil filter, which can be found here. The fuel filter is here and should also be changed every 1,000 hours. One last part is the air cleaner. It should be changed every 500 hours or every 250 hours in dusty environments.
So there you have it, Lincoln Electric's new Fleet series of diesel engine driven welders. For more information, please check out www.lincolnelectric.com.